Okay, yeah. Sorry.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Bill Academy. How are you doing? We are doing good, and again we come with another topic. Akam jirtu nagaa keessanii arras mata duree kan biraa isiniif qabannetti kan nuti jirru yeroo darbe kan beginner yookaan namoota jalqabarra jiraniif kan ta'u dhiinonatti hojjenneerra arrama xunnoo ishee sanarra wantoota confuse nama godhan kan namoota sadarkaa intermediate yookaan B1 B2 irra jiraniif kan ta'u qabannetti kan nuti jirru as usual and normal I'm with one of my students. Hi.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Is everything alright?
Yeah, thanks.
Everything can be alright. This is everything will be alright. Bob Marley. Everything will be alright. So
Don't worry.
Don't
worry.
So today we will see about by and with.
Okay.
Fucking enough. Tax none of them dead.
No.
No, covered.
Don't sound of
You see, tax nine with it.
I'm in. Okay.
Tax nine with
I'm coming by taxi.
by tax.
Yeah.
I'm coming in to find in your none with it. I came.
Came out here
I came
by taxi.
by
Taxi.
taxi. By taxi or with tax?
By taxi.
By tax.
What do you feel like? How do you feel?
Okay, busy wages are. Eshi. Ama fakkeenyaaf yoo waraqata wayii yoo kutte lemsee maqasiidhaan yoo kutte kana maqasiidhaan kutee listi
Oh, so hard.
eshi na kutte
I'm cutting.
I cut
I cut
the pepper
in the
dash the cedars by or with
by.
Yes,
Yes.
by the cedars. Okay, anyhow is a bit talk is a lot
Okay. See.
a bit so by kan fayyadamu for transportation and method.
Okay.
Transportation wal qabannan by fakkeenyaaf I came here by taxi. Maalinan dhufe
By taxi.
taxi dhaan dhufe.
Yeah.
Like method mala waan tokkotti nu hojjetu fakkeenyaaf ama ingiliffa nan baradha. Akkamitti barata? Ama ingiliffa kana bara yookaan viidiyoo ilaaluudhaanan ingiliffa baradha. I learn English by watching
YouTube. Oh, you are Bill Academy.
YouTube Academy YouTube.
Yeah.
I learn English by watching Bell Academy YouTube.
Yeah.
By method amala akamitti goota wantichi. That is a method. Fakkeenyaaf amma nyaata nyaannee kaffalte.
Okay.
Na akkamitti kaffalteen siin jedha. Kaardiidhaan hin kaffalee ATM kaardiin. Ejisti nan kaffale jedhiste. I past godhiga.
Paid.
I paid. Already kaffalte wantiif. I paid money. By card.
By card. Okay.
I paid by card. Money kaffalte?
Paid by card.
By card.
CB.
Like transportation method isaan akkamitti fakkeenyaaf nam tokko how do you support your people and akkamitti uummata kee gargaarsa how do you help the Oromo young generation and akkamitti I help my young generation or my people or Oromo people by teaching English. Maalin Ingiliffa gargaara kanumaan qabaadha. Utuun akka obbo yaadataa baa qabaadha turin. So method jechuudha by what? By what method? With the mode of Marat Gaff, Fishan Kudan, in Gavalan, Debs to Kodina. With in more for what? Tools. Tools imana.
Malato.
Esa malato modela. Tools. Jechan
Photoshop.
Baka Photoshop so tools is an market amre.
Malato.
Yeah. Malato so what the Malta Mesha, tools to Mesha.
Okay, yeah.
Akatu Mesha na wewe mfakatani akamakasi kama so tools jechuunis
Okay.
inni kan biraan
Company.
maal company
Dhaabbata tokko yookiin
fabrikaa naan akkas as gargaaru company jechuun nama si wajjin jiru jechuudha.
Okay.
He's my company yoo ta'e na wajjin dhufe jechuudha.
Okay.
Nama tokko fudhatee deemte Dubai he's my company okay yoo ta'e inni na wajjin jira jechuudha. Okay. Possession jechuun in the position. In position, in guitar kejuti.
Akata.
Position to cabin. Position. Can I cabin you back up? Cabin okay, I'm a tools. Want to go to Hunduma? Measure way freedom to go to Tana to with freedom. I am writing by marker or with marker? With marker. With marker. What I'm writing with marker. But want to go to Hunduma? With measure way Jotana with freedom. Okay, now. Buna way swatchost. Malis swatchost and Sinjan. Mankana and Falana swatchost jesting. Is she spawning? Yeah, Falan spawn. Swatchosumal. Steer. Steer it should. Swatchos. Is she? I steered
milk.
I stirred. I got none. I stirred the milk. With spoon. I stirred the milk with a spoon. Spoon with one for him the sun. Italians have something to
You got a resume.
Hey, see, I go again, Koga, Tamre to look at it. On neck is not able to get Asian. I'm of Kenya. Alagicha Pena Kubesa and Baris Luete. I wrote the letter with what? With pen.
With pen.
I wrote the letter with pen. Pen. Honestly, may company and to I'm going to Matuko Vajinan Buffet. Jelisti, Nanbuffet.
Come.
I am in Jeremy. I came.
I came.
I am in Hawaii of them. I am Chala. I am student. I'm a Rome. I'm African.
Okay.
I came with my family. I came with my family. Matuko Vajinan with for a title. Position to look at Kabin fakenya mama lenji fatan jerote please notebook ke sanyal no kesan kabat argama yuedan please come with your notebook manu jum kota notebook ke sene wajum kota kabat apa taituna so please come with your notebook ke san wajin kota tula so with ga fatau tulsi one measure way covered the Hujit company, Namasapana Jirway, Amishin Abashiokan Hadashi to Virginia, she went with her father. Abashi Okan Hadashi, she went with her mother, with her position in Mokabinatomo, please come with your notebook. And he is sitting with his laptop, family, Yoruba laptop, Sado Jintara, Kabatetara came together. So, akka isintu fayyadamna gaaffii muraasan gaafadhaa gaaffii kana adeemsan koomentii irratti. Okay, gaaffii shanii keessaa sadiin isin gaafadhaa deebisaa koomentii irra nuuf keessu paarsiitaan yookaan advaansii qabannee gaafa dhiyaannu immoo gaaficha deebisnee kontentii ta'an yookaan maturii ta'an barannaa jiru. Question number 1. Fakkeenyaaf inni balbala bane maaliin bane furtuudhaan bane. He opened the door dash key. By key or with key? Comment irra nuuf keessu. Question number 2. Inni jabaate waan dubbiseef qormaata darbe. He passed the exam dash studying hard. He passed the exam dash studying hard. With studying hard or by studying hard? Second study 1, 2, 3. Comment irra nuuf kaa. Gaaffii ishee xumura. Teessuma wayitu cabnaan sirreessi. Maaliin sirreesse? Burruusa mali? Hammer. Okay. He fixed the chair dash hammer. With the hammer or by hammer? Comment your 1, 2, 3. Class in San Walagara, this Bella Academy, the way maker. Don't forget to share with your friends. Erota Kesan if Kodu Hindagatana. Class in Tan, the Gafrican Dipsnake and Advanced Kawajin Ilaluta. Kilaasitaan aga wal agarruutti. See you next.